Question 60. If x and y are real numbers such that x is between 4 and 12 and y is between 2 and 4, then the minimum value for x over y is? All right, so we want the smallest possible value for x over y. So what does that mean for x and y individually, right? If we want the smallest fraction, what kind of number do we want on top? And what kind of number do we want on the bottom? So on top, we want this to be as small as possible, right? If you think about like 1/3 versus 2/3, this one is the smaller one. So up top, we've got the smaller value when the bottom is the same. So we want the smallest possible value for x. And then for y, let's see, what's smaller, 1/2 or 1 over 100? I would rather have half of a pizza than 1/100th of a pizza, right? This is going to be the bigger one, so 1 over 100 is going to be a much smaller piece, right? You've taken the same thing and now you've got 1 out of 100 if you were to break it up into 100 pieces rather than if you were to break it up into 2 pieces. So if we want this whole number to be as small as possible, then we want y, our number on bottom, to be as large as possible. So the smallest possible value for x is 4. And then the largest possible value for y is 4. So 4 over 4 is equal to 1. So we will find g, 1, to give us the smallest possible value for x over y.